How to manage camera uploads on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Dropbox. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lines here in the top corner, and now go down, click on the settings option down here. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now on this page, scroll down until you find camera uploads and click on it. Now here on this page, as you can see, you can manage your camera uploads. For example, you can backup or include videos, use data when offline, and the background restrictions. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.